Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is related to the selection of width of beam. As you guys know that from the RCC it is one of the important topic because many times we think a lot that it is okay if I am going for the theoretical problems and all. Whatever the things I need to assume I can, but when we are going to do this for the practical aspect, like when I'm going to design a structure, that time how much should be the width of beam, how much should be the depth of beam, how I can assume it, and what values are appropriate one. That is one of the we can say a crucial task for us. So that's why I thought it should be discussed with you, and I got some good information based upon it, that basically now the width of beam is governed by two factors. Okay, that is the proper housing of reinforcing bars. Okay, and then the second one is architectural consideration, because what is the value, or whatever may be the value of width of beam is that you are going to assume, that should be more enough, that inside which you can put your reinforcing bars in a proper manner. That should be the a thing. And next one is architectural consideration, is also one of the important parameter when it comes for the beam, because there, if there is a beam inside your house and it is giving the offset, it might be like obstructing thing for the architect, because they have to give a good aesthetical view to the building or inside your house. Okay, so these two things we need to consider while we are going to decide the width of beam. Again, one more important parameter, or one to two things that we need to consider is the desirable width of beam should be less than or equal to the width of its support, like width of wall or width of the column, because beam is going to rest on the, if it is beam is going to rest either on the wall or on the column. Okay, the supports can be like this. So whenever you are going to decide the width of beam, you need to consider the width of its support. Okay, whatever may be the support. So if the width of support is like 0.2 meter, okay, so you can consider the value around it. So it should not be less than the width of your support. If you are assuming 0.15 meter, it is not going to satisfy the basic requirements. Okay, so that's why they have given you the value, that is it should not be less than or equal to the width of its supporting structures like column or the width of wall. Practical aspects should also kept in mind, because what are the practical phenomenon, or how the practical things are going to happen, that you also need to consider. And then the next is, it has been found that the width of the beam equal to 150, 200, 230, 250 and 300 mm are satisfied, or they have fulfilled the basic requirement. So that's why we can consider this value. And again, one more parameter is there which we need to consider while we are selecting the width of beam, is the value of like width to depth ratio. Okay, width to depth ratio, overall depth ratio, not effective, that should be in the between, like the value should be in between 0.5 to 0.67. Okay, and this is how we can finalize the width of beam. I hope you guys got some good knowledge from today's video. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.